So this is the last one. Add ice to your watch list, something like this. So the instruction here says that open coin market cap from here and tap the star icon to add ice open network to your watch list. So let me tap it from here. So I'm going to wait for this to load finish. So now how do I want to add it? So this is the watch list. So just click on that, click on it. So it's going to add it like that. So click on this watch list. It's going to add it. So I'm going to sign up and get my own crypto watch list. So let me sign up. So I'm going to continue with Google. Just continue with Google like so. For me to add it to my watch list, you can see that it's empty. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit on ice. So I'm going to type ice here. So this is the first one. So I'm going to add it. I'm going to save. So you are going to see that I've added it successfully. So something like this. I've added it successfully. So I've added this. So after that, I'm going to hit on this. Now I'm going to click on mark step as complete. You are going to see. So I'm going to follow them. So I'm going to follow them now. So make sure that you hit on follow. So it's just going to bring the data like this. Just very simple. Make sure that you watch this video to the end for you to get it accurately. So I'm going to make sure that I'm following them. So I'm following them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this 53. I just don't know what it's called. So I'll make sure that I'm following them on X. So let me just click here to feel if I'm following them properly. So after I make sure that I'm following them, I'm just going to hit mark step as complete. So the next one is open coin market here, then add positive comments which contain ice and SBAR. So I'm going to write that down. Ice and SHBAR. So I'm going to click on here. So for me to do that, I'm going to type ice at the top here. So this ice, the first one, I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to scroll down for me to add the comments, negative, positive comments. So this ice network now on CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to hit on post comments. So I'm going to post it here. So it has ice and so you are going to post something like this. HBAR. I'm going to give it space. HBAR. So we need ice to 1 billion market cap. So market cap. So I'm going to post comments. So that I've been posting it now. So I'm just going to save like this. So I'm going to copy my link. You are going to see ICE and HBAR. We need ICE to 1 billion market cap, something like that. So click on the three menu icon and copy link. So I'm going to click on that 56 on what I've been doing so far. So I'm going to paste my link here. After I paste it, click on mark step as complete and verify. So let me wait a little bit. So I'm just going to wait for it to make sure that's going to verify. So you are going to see the method. You are going to see CMC verification pass. You have successfully passed your CMC verification and you can move on to the next step. So click on continue. So token distribution address, you are now eligible for token distribution. You can enter your own personal address below. So we highly recommend using the Exporter app or any use of any Multiverse compatible wallet. So how do you get your own compatible wallet? So this my Exporter now. So what I'm just going to do is to copy my compatible wallet. I'm going to show you what is compatible wallet. So compatible wallet is also mean of EVM wallets. So let me enter my code. So this is my account now, Multiverse account. So click on the button right here and you are going to see your compatible wallet here. So this is it right here. So copy that. You are going to see copied. So under your main wallet, then come back here. So paste it right here. So paste it here, and after you paste it, click on it on continue. So close. So that is all you just need. So let me wait right here for this thing to load. So you are going to see something like this. So if you want to, you can click on that exporter. If you want to change it, you can still change it. So this is how you are going to connect your wallets to DoctorX, your Multiverse wallet to DoctorX successfully, and you can see the verification that we have been doing since morning. So this is how you are going to connect your wallet. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on X and on my Telegram page. See you in my next video, guys. Peace.